Hey everybody, thanks for coming to dance with me. I'm Laura and today we're just gonna have a fun dance along. I'm gonna be working a lot on variations of some basic moves. Feel free to do those variations with me or feel free to just do the basic the whole time. It's a build your own adventure. Let's get started. Ha, ha, oh. And add a kick.
Keep going. Back to normal. And 3/4. Just 6 count rhythm. Groovy it up. Double it up. Single, single, double. Boom.
All right, that was a good warm-up, and now let's talk about Patreon. Thank you so much, people of Patreon, for helping to make this video free for everybody in the world, including people like you. And if you want to join them, the link's in the description. Song number 2, let's get started.
Here we go. Kicks. Double kicks. With the song and ho-ho. Kick will change. Here we go. Take out the pause. Up makes your Charleston.
Oh, every honeybee fills with jealousy when they see you out with me. I don't blame the goodness, no. Honeysuckle rose. When we're passing by, flowers drop inside, and I know the reason why. You're my sweet goodness, no. Honeysuckle rose. Oh, don't buy sugar. You just have to touch my cup. You're my sugar. It's sweet when you stir it up. When I'm taking sips from your tasty lips, the honey fairly drips. Your confection goodness knows. Honeysuckle rose.
On the evens, up. Into mambos, On the evens, up. Boogie it up, boogie it back,
All right, I hope you had some fun and bounced your butt. If you did, click like and subscribe for the algorithm. If you like the music, it's by the Carolina Reapers, and you can get a link to their music in the description. Half of the money that I get from this YouTube channel goes towards organizations that support African diasporic artists and art, because Lindy Hop is a black dance, and that's very important to its identity. And the best way to learn how to do this dance is to dance.